Assalamu alaikum, dear stars of Jannah. In this episode, we explore a surprising moment in the Prophet's, peace be upon him, journey, a treaty that seemed like a setback but turned out to be a major victory in disguise, the Treaty of Hudaybiyyah. In the 6th year after Hijrah, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, saw a dream that he and his companions would perform Umrah in Makkah. He set out with around 1,400 companions, dressed in ihram, intending peace, not war. When the Quraysh heard of the Muslims approaching, they sent armed groups to stop them. The Prophet halted at a place called Hudaybiyyah. Despite their peaceful intentions, the Quraysh refused entry. Negotiations began. The Prophet showed patience, wisdom, and a desire to avoid bloodshed. Eventually, a 10-year peace treaty was proposed between the Muslims and Quraysh. Some terms seemed unfair. Muslims could not perform Umrah that year. If a Qurayshi came to Medina, he would be returned, but a Muslim escaping Medina would not be returned. Despite objections from companions, especially Umar, radiyallahu anhu, the Prophet accepted the terms. Shortly after, Surah Al-Fath, 48-1, was revealed. Indeed, we have given you a clear victory. The treaty opened the door for peaceful dialogue, and within 2 years, more people entered Islam than ever before. The Treaty of Hudaybiyyah teaches us about long-term vision, patience in the face of apparent loss, and trusting Allah's plan even when it's hard to understand. What looked like a surrender was actually a strategic and spiritual triumph. Through peace, Islam spread more rapidly and powerfully. In episode 11, we will journey through the events of the conquest of Makkah, when the city that once drove out the Prophet opened its gates to him in humility and peace. Subscribe to 5-Star Deen and follow the powerful story of our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, the model of mercy, leadership, and divine guidance.